We have seen how to use the stored procedure activity to actually run a stored procedure. So that's useful when you're not expecting any output back. But if you're expecting an output back, you can go ahead and use another activity. So let's go on to the other section. Let's create a new pipeline. So this is actually going to be using something known as the lookup activity. If I go on to general, I'll put the lookup activity just like this. In terms of the settings, I'll choose my source data set. So the source data set is my dimension customer table in ProDB. This time around, instead of choosing a table or a query, I can choose a stored procedure. I can choose that particular stored procedure. I can again import the parameter for the procedure. I can put a value here. Let me click on publish all. So it's a very simple activity. Let me go ahead and trigger this activity. Now, one important note is for my stored procedure, I am only expecting one row of information. There is one setting in the lookup activity to only return the first row. Now, in case if your stored procedure is giving you multiple rows of information as the output, then please go ahead and uncheck this so you get all of the information. So I can see the pipeline run is complete. I'll click on view pipeline run. If I go on to the output now, you will see in terms of the first row, right, it's returning an object when we get the company name and the salesperson. If you want, let's say, move this information further on in your pipeline, so just as an example, I'll go on to general. We can create variables within the pipeline. With the use of variables in your pipeline, this is one way of passing information. You can set, it's just like similar to having variables in your program. You define the variables in the beginning of the program with, let's say, some default values, and during the process of the program, you can set the values of these variables. Similar to a pipeline, you can set variables in the pipeline and set values accordingly. So for this variable, let's say it is the variable of the company name. And we have one more variable, which is the variable for the salesperson. I will connect the activities. So we can connect one activity to multiple subsequent activities. In terms of the variable company name, I can go on to settings. Here then I'll define a new pipeline variable. So I'll give name, company name, without type string, or here on confirm. In terms of the value, I will add dynamic content. I will take the output of the stored procedure. In the output, we have the first row, and then we have the company name. I'll click on OK. For the second variable, same thing, we'll define a new pipeline variable. So this activity is only setting the value of the variable. The variable still needs to be defined. So that is why we're